Hello, everybody. Tutorial wrap up. We're almost at the finish line. There's one thing I need to show you before we wrap it up. Back to the Google tutorial. We talk about how you name, how to access the frame, the sticky note, and we cannot use hyperlink right now. We can use sticky note to add a hyperlink and have to instruct the student use Control C to copy and paste the URL in another tab. And I also want to show you one last but most important thing to share. When you share, you want to be sure you link anyone on the internet with the link can view or a specific group and so forth. People with group and you can use the Google Almanator and Jamboard. This can be used with any of the Google add-on extension Google platform. So present to the meeting. I'm doing it. I'm present using the meeting code Google Jamboard 1. Continue. So basically, using Google Hangouts, present the tab to the meeting. I'm going to select the tab. I'm going to say share. The screen is visible. One cool thing I'm going to point out, the laser feature. So let's say I'm talking about AWS Architect. And then making the presentation of the subject matter. AWS Architect is basically the design layout of the entire cloud. And whatever the subject is, okay, everybody, we gotta watch the video. Click on the sticky note, and I was highlighted with that laser pointer. That's a powerful thing to use, another feature. Go to the next frame, AWS operation and reliability. Basically, it's all about compliance, operation. This falls on the responsibility of the AWS cloud team and the reliability, the redundancy of the network. It has to be online. But for the non-technical people in my network, reliability means the ability to access the internet, cloud service 24 hours a day. It has to be in multiple regions, multiple ability zones. So, for example, if it's just one region and the region crash, it should back up to another instance in another region. It costs more, but peace of mind is worth the extra money. AWS security and compliance. It's very important to secure the cloud with the designated user so you can use the compliance the law, for example, with the pharmacy would be compliant with the HIPAA for privacy reasons. And for more information, go to the video. So basically, to learn about the following tasks in this Google tutorial for Google Jamboard. Setting up a Jamboard, Google Jamboard website, using the sticky note style plan, using the laser feature, and how to access the frame, as you see. Also, right here, if you want to add a frame, you click on duplicate frame or delete the frame. Well, I just duplicated the frame, so I'm going to delete it now by clicking delete. Boom, good to go. That's how we use Google Jamboard. If you have any questions, feel free to email me and have fun. Remember, there's so much about Google Jamboard. Use templates. I didn't use templates because some templates are hard to use. I figured through the video how to create your own template. Okay, that concludes in the presentation. You click start sharing, and everybody can leave. And that's how we do it.